Well, hiya folks. A few weeks back I bought a very cheap little balsa kit from a Chinese supplier and made a little 3-part series, my first balsa building experience in 10 or 12 years. Someone commented online that they were looking forward to the maiden, and I thought to myself, I'm sure I've already maidened this, and sure enough, looking back through my files, maidened it about a month ago, but I hadn't actually finished the video, so here is the video of the maiden. But getting back to the model building was a bit frustrating at times. There were things that I would like to have changed. This was the result. One of the problems I had with it was trying to get the centre of gravity, because to achieve it I had to make a little slotway in there, slide in the LiPo and so on, and when it came to flying it was a real pain. So I've already made some changes which you can see here. The servo was originally mounted on the inside, which made it very difficult to actually fit the wing on when you've got to negotiate a connection to the aileron servos and the LiPo, and with it mounted on the inside, as you can see here, there wasn't really much room to get in there. But I've sorted that by moving the servo to the top of the wing. Still looks okay, and it's going to make life a lot easier. Other slight problem was not enough down thrust. I've actually put some washers behind that, so that's sorted. It was difficult and twitchy to fly, but I've realised afterwards, like a fool, I'd added this undercarriage, but I hadn't actually checked to see what effect it had on the centre of gravity. And in fact, there is now no need for this LiPo to go way forward there. This will go nicely now in the middle. I've actually put a little foam board support in there for it, bit of Velcro, so that makes it easy to adjust the centre of gravity. The other rather silly mistake that I made was I hadn't really set up the rates properly, hence rather big throws. In fact, pretty difficult to control. When the wind picked up a bit, I almost lost it, as you'll see on the video. Rates have been adjusted now, and next time it'll be easier to fly. I'm looking forward to it, and it'll certainly be easier to get the wing on. Anyway, here's the maiden. I'll link the build blogs at the end and the kit details in the video description. Let's go! Right folks, well, you may have seen my 3-parter, my first balsa build in 10 years. Well, the day has come. No wind up here, but no sun either. But it's going to get its maiden, so wish me luck. And maybe. Right folks, so here we go. Stuck in a rut there. Well, that was full up elevator. Couldn't get the nose up. Let's try again. High rate. She flies. That is full. Oh, she flies nicely. That is full power. That's 3/4. 3/4 not quite enough. She flies quite nifty. Maybe nose heavy. I'll get some height. No, definitely nose heavy or underpowered. Don't get downwind, Bobby. Too much up elevator now. I want to see what happens when I knock the power off, so I want to get some height. Oh, knocking the power off, what happens? Comes down very fast. Not enough down thrust for a start, because half throttle it's okay, but As soon as I give it some welly, it climbs like that. Very swoopy. Might be tail heavy. Might be tail heavy. No, it's not tail heavy when I it's not tail heavy when I shut the throttle. Get some height again. Can't get any height with it as soon as I open the throttle. I don't think there's enough power there somehow. Or maybe the wheels were a mistake. Try and get some height. Shut the throttle. I don't know, it needs something. Oh God, that was a close one. Right, I'm going to land. Oh, let's put it on low rates. No, low rates, I haven't got any control. It's getting further and further away from me. It's quite a twitchy model. Oh my God, yeah, it definitely needs down thrust. I can't stop it climbing. That'll do. Well folks, I don't know how much of that you're going to see on camera, but that was pretty scary because on low rates I didn't have any control. On high rates it was so twitchy and climbing so much every time I opened the throttle that I couldn't exactly fly at, say, half throttle because I didn't have enough power to go anywhere. Full throttle, uncontrollable, but probably needs more down thrust, but all in all it kind of, at least it flies. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed my little mini series about balsa building, and check them out. I'll link them at the end. Wishing Happy New Year, or maybe if you're watching it in 2025, which is quite likely actually, have a good safe flying year for 2025. But that's all for now. Catch you all later. Bye for now.